Hi everybody, how's your Saturday morning going? Mine is going very good, I was on listening to music, getting my groove on. So I thought I would just pop in and share our weekly PNL report that we do every week. And this is the third week that we are sharing that. So let's go to that, right? So if you want to check our weekly PNL report, you need to go to watanabe.in, www.watanabe.in or .com, and you will get our website. This is our website. To check our week trading journal, you need to click on this tab, Watanabe Show Trading Journal, and every day's trading journal will be posted right here. So if we go to the 21st April 2022, that was the expiry of this previous week. So this is our morning and evening trades, and during expiry day we take we come live 3 times to close our trade in the afternoon. Along with that, this is our trading journal. So every Thursday we complete our trades and post a PNL report, and we come on show and post a PNL report. So these are all the trades that we have taken till now. So if we move on to the weekly consolidated report, okay, first let me make a copy so that I can edit this. All right, so we go on to our weekly consolidated report. Let me fill and highlight it so that it will be clearly visible. So we're talking about 21st April 2022. We started with around 2 lakh capital. And last week we took a little bit of a hit. We are in negative 1,640. But overall, we are in the financial year, we're positive by 3.19. Because of the last week, we're just down by 0.72%, while Nifty was down by 0.42%. The number of trades that we have taken this week was 11 trades, out of which we've won in 9 trades. And the 2 other trades that we lost a little bit of hefty amount, but that's still fine. We have another week coming. So overall, till now, we have taken around 41 trades. And let's look at how much we won. We won around 32 trades. So not bad, and I will be here next week also to post all our weekly weekly consolidated report to show you how much we have made. So don't forget to tune back in another next Saturday for another report. Meanwhile, do check out our videos. Every day we go live at 9 a.m. and at 3 p.m. to give you to take trades live, so you can go ahead and take the same trade and you can understand why we have taken that trade also. Don't forget to like.
Show our channel.
Yes. Yeah, let me go ahead and show our channel. So it is again Watanabe in. We are Watanabe in every handle, even including Twitter. So this is our channel. If we go to the videos, every day we are live.
And I don't know whether people are aware. Just click that 22nd April, any video. Open that.
Yes.
Open the description, the show more.
Huh.
Where we write the detailed commentary, what happened in the week. So that would be very handy for the viewers, like what we are doing.
Yes, Koda, this is really nice. We update.
Like the trades taken and any discussions and external links where we are referring.
Okay, so this is cool. Guys, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thanks, Priyanka. Have a nice day.
You too, Koda. Have a very nice
Saturday, Monday.
Yeah, let's get back on Monday.